below 250k ang sahod and hindi nakapag-file ng ITR, may penalty po ba? As a freelancer, tayo po ay self-employed. And as a self-employed sa ating tax law, regardless of our income, tayo po ay required mag-file ng ITR. Pero first step muna, paano ba tayo mag-file ng ITR as a freelancer? BIR registration po muna. Kung hindi ka pa naman nakapag-register sa BIR as a freelancer, as a self-employed, wala pa po yung penalty. Pero once tayo ay BIR registered freelancer na, regardless of our income, whether zero income, kailangan po nating mag-file ng ating income tax return. At quarterly po ang ating tax compliance. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.